Now we are going to look at the third transportation modeling, which is northwest corner. Northwest corner is the one that says that we put more units to the left, which is north, and up the northwest corner. So the northwest corner is this. Now we put maximum units, but you can see for this one I've already given out the maximum units. So the only thing you're going to calculate is the total cost. But I will also delete this one and we do them together. You see how we got in those units. So the total cost is equals to sum product of this and this, all of this, plus the sum product of this and this, that is the cost and the units, plus sum product of these, all of this, and their units, plus sum product of the theater cost and the theater units, and enter. So that is the total cost for this one. Now let's delete them. Let's delete that one and delete these units. So we delete them so that we can start afresh. You can see how we obtain those ones about this lowest cost, made this northwest corner approach. This is different from the one that we have done before, like the intuitive, which was looking at the lowest cost. This one is saying that we put maximum units to this one. So the maximum units we can put to this one are 11,000 because that is the demand. The demand has to be met. Now we put 11,000. That is the maximum units you can put to that one so that these demands can be met. Because also we can check this one is 13,000. 13,000, that is the factory capacity. So putting 11,000 is okay. But if let's say here was 10,000 and this was 11,000, the maximum we could put here is 10,000 because this one is not, the capacity was low. We can't put more than the capacity. Now we come to the next one. So it's northwest corner. So the next part, since this is not complete, we have to complete it. So it's missing 2,000. So we have to add 2,000 units. Now that one is complete. This is complete. We can cancel it out. We can, so that we don't go back there, meaning we have completed that one like that. We are closing it out. Now we go to the next one. The next one we can't add any units because the demand is 11,000 units and we already have 11,000, so we can close it out. So we close that one so that it don't have to go back there. We close it like that. Then we go to the next one, 312. We have 3,000. Do you have 2,000 here? You see this is 2,000 and the demand is 21,000 and the factory capacity is 14,000. So because the demand is higher than the capacity, the factory capacity, we'll put the 14,000 here, 14,000 units, because that is the factory capacity. We can't add units more than the factory capacity. Now we have to add 14,000 capacity, 14,000 units, so that we can meet the factory capacity. Then that one is complete because you see the units and the factory capacity are full. Now we close it out. Close it out like that so that we don't go back there. So we have closed out. Now we come here. So this one, how many can we add here? So we have to do the addition. This is 16,000 and 21,000. So we are missing 5,000. So the demand that the units we can add, maximum units we can add there, it's 5,000, so that it can add up to 21,000. Also, then we check here. These are 16,000, meaning we are less with 11,000. So the units we can add here are 11,000. So we have to add 11,000. 11,000 units here because 11,000 units because the demand, we have to add 11,000 because when we add this and the 5,000 and this should give us 16,000, which is the factory capacity. So this one is also complete, so we close it out. We close it out so that we don't have to go back there to it. Close out this one. Now we go to this law. So we saw that this one is complete now. So we have to close it because the demand, the units are already met in 1,000 units. So you have to close it out also. So we close it out. Then we go to the next one. Next one, we have 11,000. So it means that the factory capacity here is 19,000 and the demand is 13,000. We have already given 11,000 units, so they are missing 2,000 units so that the demand can be met. So we have to add that the maximum units can put there 2,000 units. And because this column is complete, because we have 2,000 plus 11,000 forming 13,000, we close it out. So we close out because the demand has already been met. Now we are here. We need the maximum units you can hear here. We can see it's 17,000 because the demand is 17,000 and the capacity is 19,000. But we already have 2,000, so we have to subtract 2,000 from 19 to form this we can add here, which are 17,000 units. So that is the units, the maximum units you can add here. And checking this law is completed because 17,000 plus 2,000 forms us 19,000 units, which means the factory capacity. So we have to close it out. We have to close it out. Now we are this. Also, this column is complete because the units we can add is the units are 13,000 and the demand is 17,000, meaning the demand has already been met. So we close it out, and we have now completed this northwest approach. That is the northwest corner approach. Now we have already assigned the maximum units you can put there. Now the next step is to find the total cost, which is given by, as we have done in the beginning of the video, is equals to sum product of this, all of this and its units. Sorry, is equals to sum product of these units, or these costs and its units, which are the whole of this. Why is this making an error every time? I think it's because of the video. Okay, it's equals to sum product of this, all of it and its cost, plus sum product of this other one and its units, plus sum product of this other this cost and its units. Yeah, there are two and its units. Make sure that you don't read. Sorry. Make sure. Sorry, let's do it again because I think the error is because of this line that we had closed out. So when you are putting the formulas, make sure you don't highlight, don't click on them because they will keep you repeating as it's doing to us. So you have to do that. Sum product, then we add the sum product of our second one, this one, and make sure that you don't highlight those lines, they will confuse you. Plus some product here on the third one, some product of this one. Also ensure that you don't get those lines, and that's correct. Plus some products of the last one. Let's be careful not to highlight the lines to avoid that. Yeah, now it's okay. Then press enter. And that is the same value we gotten in the beginning of the video. And that's how we do the northwest corner method. You can subscribe for more. Thank you.